In this video, I'll quickly help you fix Wi-Fi connection issues on an HP Smart Tank printer, like the 511, and similar models. Important steps. 1. Simple restart, try first. Unplug the printer from the wall in the back, wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in and try connecting again. 2. Reset the printer's Wi-Fi. Turn the printer off. Press and hold black copy plus back or arrow button, then press power. Keep holding for 5 seconds, then release and wait. 3. Move printer closer to router. HP Smart Tank printers have weak Wi-Fi signals. Try placing the printer near the router or use a Wi-Fi extender. 4. Check Wi-Fi band. Try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Most HP printers work better on 2.4 GHz. 5. Check router MAC filtering. Disable MAC address filtering in your router settings if it's blocking the printer.